COVID-19 pandemic is an unprecedented global crisis that has been met with an unprecedented global response. Research and development have played a central role. Since January, WHO has been working with thousands of researchers all over the world to accelerate and track vaccine development, from developing animal models to clinical trial designs and everything in between. We have also developed diagnostics that are being used all over the world. And we're coordinating a global trial on the safety and efficacy of 4 therapeutics against COVID-19. The world needs these tools, and it needs them fast. Today, WHO is proud to be uniting with many partners to launch the Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator, or the ACT Accelerator. This is a landmark collaboration to accelerate the development, production, and equitable distribution of vaccines, diagnostics, and therapeutics for COVID-19. Our shared commitment is to ensure all people have access to all the tools to defeat COVID-19. The ACT Accelerator brings together the combined power of several organizations to work with speed.
On the 4th of May, we will launch a global pledging effort. On that day, we will also announce next milestones of a global campaign. This campaign is to kick off an ongoing rolling replenishment. The aim is to raise 7.5 billion euros to ramp up work on prevention, diagnostics, and treatment. And this is a first step only, but more will be needed in the future. Because beating coronavirus will require sustained actions on many fronts. We need to develop a vaccine. We need to produce it and to deploy it in every single corner of the world and make it available at affordable prices.
Human health is the quintessential global public good. And today we face a global public enemy like no other. In an interconnected world, none of us is safe until all of us are safe. COVID-19 respects no borders. COVID-19 anywhere is a threat to people everywhere.
Many of us will know that Africa is extremely vulnerable to the ravages of this virus and is in need of every possible support and assistance. As Africa, we are pleased to be part of the global effort that we are all involved in to tackle this pandemic.
We are proud to be part of this global alliance. I would like to dedicate its launch to those who lost their lives in the fight against COVID-19 and to those who are still struggling. A special thought goes to our true heroes, doctors, nurses, and health workers. Their sacrifice will not go in vain. We will stand by our partners in this common endeavor, and you can count on Italy. Together, we'll make it. Thank you very much.
Together, we will make it. Thank you very much. Grazie mille, Your Excellency.
Malaysia is fully committed to being part of this time-bound effort and to take on the manufacturing of some of these tools and vaccine as they become available.
And the next will be Her Excellency Ms. Erna Solberg, Prime Minister of Norway.
And we must commit to a system of fair global access, because as long as the virus is active somewhere, we are at risk everywhere. Norway supports this unique collaboration. I encourage all others to do the same.
Mr. Pedro Sanchez, Prime Minister of Spain.
In order to counter COVID-19, we need vaccines, effective treatments, and fast and reliable tests. We need them soon. and most importantly, everybody needs them.
And I would like to express my great respect and appreciation for his commitment to this initiative, and I hope he is now proud that it has reached this level and the whole world is behind this initiative. Thank you, Boris. And please, next message.
We look forward to supporting the Global Coronavirus Response Summit on the 4th of May, which will drive forward our collective global effort to tackle coronavirus. It will ensure that desperately needed resources for research and development of new vaccines, therapeutics and diagnostics are made available so that we can overcome this disease.
Thank you, Your Excellency.